How to set up expenses through your QuickBooks Online feeds. Very, very easy, everyone. As you can see, I have my QuickBooks Online bank feed open at the banking page. Under banking, I have one check account that I have linked to my QuickBooks Online file, which is a Westpac check account. You can see that I have a full review button, which is just transactions coming through, and I need to process these. In QuickBooks means that these transactions have actually been processed prior and they are sitting in our file, so they will affect our financials and GST, and excluded if I need to exclude a transaction that has actually come through for review. Really quickly, guys, all you need to do, and you can see that if I just open up this row, my bank details says that I've actually purchased something at Coffee Place Anytown. Now if I just quickly shut that down again, you can see I don't have a payee. The meals and entertainment has been previously used, hence why that's coming up, but you can see I don't have a GST code in there. So really quickly, so for the very first time, what you'll do is you'll just open up that row. Yes, we'll leave it at expense because we could change it, but we'll leave it at expense. The payee, I'm actually going to set up a supplier card called Coffee Place because we buy our coffees from Coffee Place. And we can add the Coffee Place supplier on the run, click save. Yes, where do we normally process the expense to? Well, I'm not going to process it to meals and entertainment. I actually want to process it to staff amenities because that's why we buy our coffee at Coffee Place. And yes, it will have GST. And for the very first time, you need to set your default GST code. So yes, we will default the tax code for yes for staff amenities. Now as you can see, the other three transactions, if I close that down, they now have the payee, the category code of staff amenities, and yes, it's picked up our GST. So all I then need to do is just select each row, batch, and accept. That's three transactions done in a pretty short time. As you can see, very easy to set up. Stay tuned for my next episode.